Welcome everyone, and I want to thank you for taking your time here today to check out the new online ebook called The Breakthrough Developments in Charting Software, offered by Trading Pub. We are very happy and very glad to be a partner with them. My name is John Skelton. I'm with apexinvesting.com, and we're very happy to be a part of this new online breakthrough developments in charting software. Today, what I want to talk to you about is our Nadex binary and spread scanners. This is a free tool that we offer to all of our member users. All you have to do is just sign up for a username and password, absolutely free, no credit card, no information like that, and this is free to use. So if you currently trade Nadex binaries or spreads, I want to show you a great free tool here to take advantage of. Okay, so if you are on the Nadex platform here, and let's just say, for example, that you trade binaries. All right, Nadex offers binaries and spreads. We're just going to use binaries as a quick option here to show you the power of the spread and binary scanner. So if we choose, for example, Forex binaries, let's say tonight we wanted to trade the euro dollar. Well, I've got my strategy, I've got my system, I've got my charts open in front of me, and maybe I'm trading a short-term system, maybe I'm trading a long-term system, maybe I'm looking to trend trade, scalp trade, whatever it may be. I've got quite a few options here when it comes to Nadex binaries. So if I want to trade the euro dollar, well, I've got some binaries that opened up here at 11 p.m. and then they will expire at 1 a.m. I've got some others from 12 a.m. that expire at 2 a.m. Then I've got some that expire at 3 a.m., 7 a.m., 11 a.m., 3 p.m. tomorrow, 7 p.m., 11 p.m., and I've got weeklies, right? I've just on the euro dollar. I can also scroll down here and I've got 5-minute binaries that I can even choose from on the euro dollar as well. So I've got a ton of options to choose from. So I've got my chart in front of me. I've got a trade set up looking like it's about to set up for an entry to buy, let's say. Okay, well, let me click these 11 p.m. to 1 a.m.s. And what are my options here? All right, I've got quite a few binaries here to choose from. I've got all these different strikes I'm looking at, right? And okay, so I've got this 1270 strike, 1266, 1262. All right, I've got the buy side, I've got the sell side. All right, so I've got these strikes and these prices. All right, cool, got that. Now, what are my options on the 2 a.m. expirations? Okay, well, I've got a little bit different strike prices here and got quite a few more to choose from. And I'm looking for something maybe around the 1270 strike. Okay, I can sell for 37, buy for 46. Okay, that gives me a little longer. That gives me an hour and 19 minutes. All right, well, what's going to expire at 3 a.m.? What do I have for 3 a.m.? All right, for 3 a.m., I've got a 1260, a 1280. All right, there's those prices there. Now, what about 7 a.m.? Let me just check that. Okay, here's a few different strikes, and here's the prices to buy. Now, wait a minute. What were the prices of the one at 1 a.m.? I forgot. Let me go back over there and check it. Okay, so 1 a.m. I've got these for this price. Now I already forgot. What was it at 2 a.m.? I'm going back and forth, right? I'm going all over the place. I'm going back and forth between all the different time frames and all the options here on the Nadex platform. Maybe I remember, maybe I'm opening up, pull off, cut off tickets to move over here. Maybe I'm writing down the prices. Maybe I'm taking screenshots. I'm trying to figure out the best binary that's going to fit my strategy or system. And they're all a little bit different strike prices. So which strike should I get? But then, wait a minute, what were the different prices? What's my risk and reward? And okay, let's say I do want to take this one. How does that math work again? So if I buy for 45, well, let me just click the ticket. So if I open up the ticket and I say, yes, I want to buy one, okay. So my max loss is $45, my max profit $55, okay. Now, but what if I want to take a different one over here at 1 a.m.? What were those prices again? All right, now let me open a ticket. Let me say buy, size one. Okay, there's my, I'm going all over the place here, right? I'm getting confused. I forgot what option was what. By this time, my trade has gone. Like the entry's already passed, it's already started to make its move. I'm still figuring out what it is I'm wanting to do. I'm all over the place. Well, that's why we have developed the spread and binary scanner. All right. And I'll give you a link here at the very end. But if you go to apexinvesting.com, join free now, select a free username and password, you can log into the site here. Once you're in, you go right here to access free tools and you go to scanners. The first thing you'll do is just activate the scanner. Okay, it's free to activate it. Then you'll click here to access the scanners, and you can either choose, you can actually go through step-by-step training on the binary scanner and the spread scanner. But you simply click here to access the scanners, and you'll have one extra quick login. Okay, very, very quick and easy. And we're just going to select the binary scanner. So what does the binary scanner do? We're going to get rid of our notices and reminders here. So let's say I'm trading the euro dollar. Everything is all right here in front of me on one page. You see that? This is the euro dollar right here. 12:45 expirations, that's the 5-minute binaries. 1 o'clock expiration, I've got the 2 o'clock expirations, I've got the 3 o'clock. Everything's on one page for me to see. All right, because over here I can select my live or demo account. I can select what markets I want. Okay, so I've selected euro dollar. Now let's say that I know I wanted to strike somewhere around 1270. Okay, or let's just say around 1266, 1270, somewhere in there. Well, first of all, just selecting euro dollar gives me all of them. Okay, and I can see them all very easily. But let's say, hey, first of all, right here are the strikes. For example, see, this is the 1 a.m. expiration. All these are the strike prices. Okay, right here, the offer. See, offer, that's what I can buy for. Bid, that's what I can sell for. Same thing I see on the Nadex platform, except everything's all together. And it's already kind of showing me here, in the money, at the money, out of the money. Now, remember when I was over here on the Nadex platform? Remember I would have to click one of these, get it to open, select buy, do size 1 for it to show me my max loss and my max profit, right? Well, what do you think that this red and green is? Red would be what? Max loss. Green would be max profit. I can see all that in one place. I don't have to go open a ticket to see my max risk and reward. I don't have to go back and forth between 1 a.m. and 2 a.m. and forget what was what. It's all easily accessible on one page. Also, what I can do is say, hey, I only want to buy. So let's make this simple and let's choose direction, buy. Boom, got rid of all the sell side, right? Less noise to look at. Well, let's say, hey, I'm not interested in the 5 minutes or the 20 minutes, and I'm not even wanting the longer dailies or the weeklies. I just want the intraday, the, every couple, just the ones that are a couple hours. All right, so that gives me the 1 a.m.s and the 2 a.m.s. All right, well, maybe I'm looking for, I don't want to risk more than X amount of dollars. Okay, so I don't want to pay more than, let's say, $60. Okay, boom, see that? Now it filtered them way down for me, right? I'm not looking at these little out of the money $6 ones. I know I don't want those. I'm looking for right around the at the monies, between 40 and 60 bucks. Boom, there it is. Narrowed it down for me, right? If I want to switch this money or period to dailies as well, I can add dailies in, or only dailies or intradays, or I can go back to any, and it'll show me all of the time frames from 1 a.m., 2 a.m., 11 a.m., 3 p.m., 7, all of them are available to me now till tomorrow night around the at the money strikes. And they're all around, see, the 1266, 1269, all around the same area. So I can see everything right here. So if I'm trading the euro dollar and it looks like a potential setup might be coming up, boom, I can open up the scanner, click euro dollar, select buy, select periods, select the amount. There's a ton of other filters in here that I can use, but I can get all of my options right here on one page. See that? The 1 a.m.s, the 2 a.m.s, 11, 3, instead of on the platform having to go back and forth between all of them and find just the one I want and filter through all the different ones and say, okay, there's this strike of 1266 for this price. Now let's go here. Now let's go here and here, and having to remember all that. All I've got to do is just pop it on the filter and it's right there, all in one place. Very, very easy. Okay. Same with the spreads. I can do that with the spreads. It'll show me all the spreads that I want right there. And so I've got the different strikes here. I can see the expiration times. I see the prices here, and it blinks for me when the prices change. And right here I see my risk and reward. I don't have to open a ticket. One screen, one page, everything. Very, very easy to use. Now, one other thing. As you noticed, I logged into my Nadex account on one of the other browsers. And once you've gone through the training and you install the Google Chrome plugins, boom, look what happens right here. I can see my demo account right there. Do you see that? Right here, I can choose live or demo. So I've chose demo. I've connected to my demo account on another browser. It's automatically connected here. So let's say that I want to go ahead and buy one of these. What? See this little movie ticket looking thing right here? Well, let's say I want to buy this one. Well, okay, so 1265 strike that expires at 2 a.m. So I can go over here and I can find, okay, 2 a.m. and let's find the 1265 strike. Okay, there it is. Let me open up this ticket. Let me fill out that I want to buy it and buy it, right? Or if I'm on the scanner, I can say, boom, 1265. I can click right here. Boom, ticket. What do you think it does? It pops that ticket right up. And guess what? It's already marked by quantity of 1. I can change that if I want. Bam, place the order. All in one place, all on one screen. Very easy. So I'm not juggling back and forth between all the options. I'm not having to juggle back and forth between the Nadex platform and the scanner. I can scan, I can filter, I can find everything I want all in one place. I can place my orders. And once I place an order, let's say that I had bought that one. Let's say I opened it and I placed order and bought it. Once the order is placed, bam, right there. There's my open positions. See it? It pops right up right there. Okay? So everything is all in one place. I don't have to go back and forth. Now, another very nice function is, notice this right here, enable instant tickets. If I click this and select that, a little box will come up saying, hey, you're enabling instant tickets. This will show a lightning bolt. Are you sure you want to do this? Yes. What this is what if I don't want a confirmation? For example, let's say the price is moving really fast, and when I open this ticket, it opens a ticket with the price marked at whatever it was, but with a little bit of an offset, right? There's a little bit of offset in there to make sure if the price is moving a few dollars this way or that way, I don't get caught in working orders. I can get right in. But let's say that I'm trading like, 5-minute binaries or something, and I just want to get in. Well, watch this. Let's say I want to place this order right here. I just click this lightning bolt. Boom. Instant submit. It's there. It doesn't make me open a ticket. It doesn't make me confirm it. Doesn't make me change anything. Just bam. It's going to enter me at the best possible available price right then and there. An instant submit. Okay. So it's right there. I can watch it. I can go and I can place a working order to get out of one of these orders if it hits my take profit. I can also go in here and just say, okay, I just want to get out of this one right now. Boom, instant out. Okay. I can also go in and use the stop trigger function. All right, and what the stop trigger function will do is it will let me set a stop order that's in place and sitting there, or let me set a take profit order. Either way, I can manage everything. I can set a take profit order, and then I can go and set a stop trigger order. You cannot do stops on the actual Nadex platform itself, but we do have a built-in stop trigger function to where you can do that in the scanner and have everything you need to fully manage your trade right here in the scanner. Okay, so once again, this is a free tool that you can use for Nadex binaries or Nadex spreads. It can really simplify your Nadex trading, putting everything in one spot, all on one page. Easy cheesy filters, very easy order entries. You have ticket entries, you have stop trigger entries, you have immediate instant submit, and you have use of the stop trigger function, which can give you a stop order. Okay, so just want to let you know about that. I'm not going to go on and on here, going to keep it pretty brief. If you're interested in this and would like to check it out, like I said, it is free to use. It's free to use to all members. All you have to do is go in, and what you want to do is go to apexinvesting.com, and you'll go to join free now and select a free username and password. And then, like I said, once you're logged in with your free username and password, you'll go right here to access free tools, go to scanners, and the first thing you want to do is activate the scanner. Okay, so just fill out that quick form. Then you'll come here to access the new binary and spread scanner pro. Now, we do have step-by-step training courses on both the binary and spread scanner, or right here I've made a quick, I think it's a 27-minute video. It shows you how to access it, set it up, install the Google Chrome function, how to use the quick filters, walks you through everything. So in less than 27 minutes you can have this free set up, using it, up and rolling. If you want to learn some of the advanced filters, some of the extra features and benefits, you can go through the step-by-step courses. Okay, so that is a brief introduction there to a amazing, awesome free tool that you can use to help with your Nadex trading, and I hope you find it useful. If you have any questions for us at all, again, hop on over to apexinvesting.com, sign up for a free username and password, take excuse me, you take these step-by-step courses or watch the video, take advantage of the free tool. If you have any questions whatsoever, if we're online on the instant chat here, you can leave us a message there, or message us direct there, or right here under help desk, you can go here to submit a new ticket, and we're happy to answer any questions at all that you might have in any way that we can help you with the Nadex, trading Nadex binaries or spreads, different strategies and systems, step-by-step training courses, or with the actual spread or binary scanner itself. So thank you once again. Feel free to click on the link below. That will take you directly to the sign up page to get rolling with your free username and password and be able to start using the binary or spread scanner right away today. Thank you so much for your time, and thank you very much for Trading Pub for having us involved in this new breakthrough developments in charting software online ebook. Thank you.